aside, really, like, Porter Cable's known for routers. Routers, that's their big thing. But I think they hit a home run with this tool right here.
They make good nail guns too. All that professional grade stuff is really good. There you have it.
Yeah,
I can't argue with that.
Yeah, I can't argue with it. I don't even think I could add anything. He's correct. You, sir, are correct.
That is correct.
All right. What do you think, Mike?
Right, what are your thoughts on Porter Cable? We want to know.
I love it.
Now they...
Man, a few words.
That's all you need to know, though.
No, we'll get aside. Boom. We'll knock out and sand these walls down in no time now. You gotta just be careful on the seams. You're still gonna have a little detail work, but that should be fine.
That was a power move, picking that up. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry.
Yep. Now it's like, you know, I can't wait for this shit to dry. I can't wait to sand. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you should have got this when we were doing the shot.
Did you see the little
Speed setting?
speed control?
No. Let's see how nuts it gets. Let's see.
That'll take some skin off.
It might dig a hole in the wall.